we may have taken a wrong turn. Certain signs point to the fact. Okay then.
Carita is not this way.
Now, see deep. I mean, I guess we just try and find a way to go along until we can get a way across the river.
Okay, so this is Mike walking into the river, trying to show the guys who are that we're following that the river's pretty deep.
Look at this. Oh, fudge. Here we go. This is crazy. I can't believe we're about to do this. If the rental car company finds out, I'm pretty sure our insurance is void. Oh my god.
I thought you said stay to the left.
I did, he didn't, but I said stay way left and he didn't. No, just in the first part here.
Oh, okay.
My very scientific wading through.
Oh, it doesn't look that deep.
This is so awesome! Alright, we'll wait to see if he can actually get out. I don't feel like slow and steady is the way to do this. I feel like gunning it might be better, but I'm gonna do what they do since they seem to be having some success.
They're almost out.
Almost there. It's the tricky. Oh my gosh! Look how deep that gets. It doesn't look like it comes in the cab. All right, it's our turn.
Okay.
Oh my god! I don't know if our car is as high as theirs was.
That's what I asked.
Well, it's too late now. It's exactly one way forward.
Oh, shit.
I can't believe we're driving through a fucking river! I mean, freaking river. Oh, here's where they almost got bogged down.
Oh, shit.
Forward. Oh my god, I can't believe it worked.
So we just drove through a river.
No, that's evidence. Don't show that. Okay, go ahead. We just drove through a river, and a little water came into the cabin, a little bit, but not that much. We're still okay. It looks like it's all drained out now. That was terrifying. We had like 5 people like, oh yeah, just drive through the river. No problem. Claro que sí.